on our way to get some stuff done, some documents and stuff done. So I don't have much planned for today. I'm not really doing Vlogmas. I am doing Vlogmas, but I'm not really doing Vlogmas, if that makes any sense. I'm still running on regular schedule, not quite. But anyways, I plucked my eyebrows today. Them things were starting to fuse together, and I'm like, no, because usually I go and get my eyebrows waxed, and then I maintain it by tweezing the hair as it comes in, but I wasn't doing that. So yeah, it was just starting to look like a big patch of hair sitting on my face. So I tweezed them a little. I didn't do much, so I just tweezed them a little bit and kind of like shaped them and stuff, and kind of like molded and whatnot. So it looks okay, you know, it looks okay. But anyways, that's what we're doing today, to go get paperwork and stuff done. Anyways, I will see you guys later. Good morning, guys. Okay. Anyways, guys, we are getting ready to go to Grandma's house. We go to grandparents' house on Sundays, or Saturday evening after church, because we're already up that way. So we figured, you know, why not stop at grandparents' house? So we're going to the grandparents' house today. Yay! Yesterday I didn't vlog because, yeah, my battery was saying that it was getting ready to die, and yeah. Good morning. Why are you crying? I'm not crying. What's wrong with your eye? It's not right. Babe, Jason got red eye, pink eye. Babe, Jason has pink eye. Come here, Jason. Yes, you do. Yeah, you do. Let me show y'all. Open your eyes.
You see it?
Yep, those are pink eye. I can spot pink eye from afar. Okay. Come here. Look mine. Oh my, you've been up for how long?
A lot of days.
I think he has pink eye, babe. Yeah. That's contagious.
Get away from me.
Mommy.
So, yeah, newsflash, so a kid has pink eye. Yes, dude. How may I help you?
I didn't sleep when I was in my room.
You didn't what?
I didn't sleep when I was in my room on the ground. I like this.
Why that information is needed right now, I don't know. I need to go get Maddie dressed. I need to get Madison dressed. Ooh. Why are you so dirty? Maddie is teething, and we can't keep clothes on her. Like, I put a bib around her neck, right? Then she yanks it off. She yanks the bib off. I'm speaking. She yanks the bib off. I'll be with you in a second. She yanks the bib off, and then all the drool, because she's teething, and then she also has a cold, so she can't really breathe, so all the saliva from her mouth is just like, so her chest is constantly wet. So you know what I do? I turn up the heat in the house and take her clothes off. Well, her dad does that. He takes her clothes off because her chest stays wet, and then that's like really bad because, yeah, the child stays sick if the chest is cold. So we take her clothes off. So she's like constantly walking around here with no clothes on. But her diaper in the front, her diaper collects all the drool. So there's like a good thick layer of spit in her diaper waist, because that just where all the drool and everything collects. But I can't keep a bib on her. She hates a bib. No matter if it's tie, if it's snap, if it's Velcro, she will yank that baby off. And the bad thing is, my husband was like, well, get the bibs that tie. Okay, yeah, we have a few of those. Put them on her. But we only have a few of the ones that are cloth. We don't have any ones that have the what is it? The plastic backing to pull the moisture away from. No, the thing, the back end, the plastic back end that keeps the moisture off the chest. We don't have any of those that tie. So when you put the cloth one on, it's the same thing of her having clothes on. But anyways, that's not the point. She yanks the whole thing off her chest, and then tries to strangle herself. Like, I can't have the baby strangling herself. So yeah, I don't like those on her. And it's not really serving its purpose, because she's like legit trying to strangle herself. Like, that's how much, you know, effort goes into trying to yank that thing. Like, she's just and the child is just like, no, not on my watch. Anyways, we're going to Lowe's. We're gonna go look at some stuff to if you guys don't know by now, I'm pretty sure you probably won't even go pick up, but whatever. We're going to Lowe's because we gotta go look at material costs. Don't do that. If I don't put you on camera, there's a reason why I don't put you on camera. When it's your time to be on camera, I will turn the camera on you, and it will be all about you, okay? I don't like to vlog my children too much, like to put them on camera. It's fine if I want to be on camera and be all out in the public, but when it comes to my children, I'm very particular about what I put on the internet. I don't do their whole life story, so that's why you won't never see, look, like, see that face? But there's a reason why I don't vlog my children, like showing every single thing that they're doing and all up in their life. No, I show you guys as much as I want to put out there of my children. It's about me. It's my decision to be out in public. It's my decision, you know, but at the same time, I'm not gonna be invading on their privacy and their space, you know. There's a time and place for everything, right? I don't know what I'm saying, if that makes any sense whatsoever. But anyways, yeah, so we're going to Lowe's to go look at some stuff. And look at this one, to go look at some stuff. My husband want to see some prices and stuff. He has a whole to-do list thingy, and he likes to be prepared. So let the man be prepared, you know what I mean? Like, the man, he wants to do a lot of DIY stuff, and I'm like, oh boy, you're a driver. Last time I checked, you drive trucks, okay?
Can't they be both?
What?
Be both?
Both what?
DIY and a truck.
And a trucker? I don't know. But anyways, it's 6:28. Oh my gosh, that's a lot of minutes to edit. Anyways, I'll see you guys later.
I didn't know.
You didn't buckle hard? And the key buckle, sis?
I just dropped.
Oh, this is so bulky. This is so bulky. This is so bulky. Come on in. Anyways, we are outside, and you can see there's snow. Can you guys see? My car is covered with snow. Not really. It's just brush it off and go. Babes, where we going, babes? We ain't going nowhere. We're not going anywhere important, you know what I mean? My face broke out. I don't know what's going on, but my skin all in my back. I've never had back acne. Like, I've never had acne on my skin.
Acne back?
And my skin been breaking out, and I don't know why. Like, it doesn't make it. The only thing I can see why my skin would be breaking out, I've been using my husband's soap, and because Destiny finished all of mine, so maybe that's what broke my skin out, but I don't know. I don't know, but I'm gonna stop using this stuff and see if that clears up, because I can't deal with acne on my skin. I can deal with it on my face, but my skin, no. My skin is, baby,
your face is the skin.
Babe, no, I can't deal with it on my body.
Yeah,
yeah, I stand corrected. But yeah, because that's what my husband likes. My husband likes nice, clear skin, body, right? Versus my face. He doesn't care about my face, because he just puts a bag over my face. Yeah. He puts a pillow over my face, so he doesn't really have to look at it. I'm joking, people. I'm legit joking. That's a joke. Anyways, I'm gonna get going and just go spend some time with my husband. This is the only time I have to spend. Oh, let me tell you guys what my husband does in the morning. He comes in every Sunday morning faithfully with a mug in his hand, and the mug has a saying on it how he feels about me. And today he gave me the mug, "You are my sunshine." Oh my gosh, how ironic. Like, so I got "You Are My Sunshine" mug today, so thank you, babes.
You're welcome.
So I'll see you guys in a little.
You don't have no money, move.
We found our refrigerator. Maddie, Jackson, don't climb on that cart. It's a nice height. You can reach in the thing. And then you probably have to bend down to get, but it's a decent size for us.
Put it all together, use your pancake flour.
And it's $329. Perfect size for us. It's the kid's size. Are you happy, Rob?
Yeah.
With your pick?